Welcome to Sky's the Limit Math. If you want to find out more about math, you came to the right place. Before you enjoy this video though, be a good person and support a struggling teacher by hitting that subscribe button below. It's that big red button that just needs someone to push it. You know you want to. Please push that button right now. That subscribe button needs to fulfill its function, so push it now. Seriously though, you clicked on this video because you want answers. You have a burning desire to know why you should study Precalculus. Well, then it's a good thing that you clicked on this video because you're about to find out. In this video, you will find out why Precalc is so important and what it covers. So let's address that first point. Why is Precalculus so important? Simply put, it helps us to be prepared to take calculus. So that begs the question, what exactly do you need to know to be successful in calculus? Because calculus uses most of the concepts learned in Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Geometry, you need to have a firm grasp on those previously learned math topics. Do you really remember all the math that you learned between freshman and junior year of high school? So one of the purposes of Precalculus is to review the basic concepts from previous math courses. In Precalculus, we get to know the function families. Why? Because in calculus, function families matter. So let's take a look at some of those function families or topics that are covered in a traditional Precalculus class.
It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say, is even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls, 'cause all I see is a tower of dreams, real love bursting out of every scene. As days go by, we're gonna fill our house with happiness. The moon may cry, but we'll smother the blues with tenderness. As days go by, there's room for you, room for me, for gentle hearts and opportunity. As days go by, it's the bigger love of the family.
So that seems like that's it, but is there anything else that can help us to be successful in calculus? Is there anything else that we might be forgetting or missing? It's important to note that most pre-calculus curriculums also cover a basic introduction to the concept of limits, because this is the driving force behind all of calculus. So in some of the videos that we're going to be looking at, we'll notice the importance of all of these concepts, especially of the limit concept. So if anyone asks you what the point of pre-calculus is, do you think you could answer them? Well, of course you could. Well, you were paying attention, so we know that you can. You could tell them that it is a review of the basic function families and concepts that you learned in Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Geometry, with a few new functions discussed in preparation for calculus. And you could refer them to this video because you're an awesome person. One more thing, support a struggling teacher by hitting the subscribe button below and sharing this video with someone you know, because you love math and you want to be an amazing person who supports a math teacher that just wants to bring good content, good clear content to help as many math students as possible in high school or college so that they can continue to be successful. If you have subscribed, shared this video, but you find that there's something in any of the videos that we have here that does not meet your needs, please leave a comment and we'll consider that topic in a future video.